You'll need a 14mm socket. Real easy. 1, 2. Probably the easiest thing you'll ever do in your life. So, it's pretty easy. Boom. Out. Second one. Should take you no more than 5 minutes to do these brakes. Boom. Out. And you just pop this out. Wiggle it out. Boom. You're out. See how easy that was? Now, all you're gonna do is take the brake pads out. Oh, you might need to use a screwdriver. You can use the cheap brakes or you can get the premium brakes. Booyakasha. Look at these bad boys. Import. You'll need this to lubricate right here, right here. Let's see these brakes. Let's check these brakes out. Ooh. Ooh. Where are my brakes? Oh, look at these beautiful brakes. Let's go. Boom. So as you take them out like this, you see this clip? Put them back in the same way. All right? Then you take this one out. I don't waste my time on these clips. All right, I've done this a million times. I don't waste my time. Unless you lose yours or yours break, don't waste your time. Just take your brakes and pop them back in. Make sure you clean it out, clean this area out, blow it out, lubricate right here. Don't lubricate the brake pads or the rotor. All right, oops, oops, oops. I touched it. You're not even supposed to touch it. If you touch it, basically you're gonna mess up your rotor. So clean it out. The way I put my brakes in is I do it sideways, okay? So I pop them in like so and work them in this way and then push them in, okay? Here we go. All right, nice and snug in there, boom. And all right, so the brakes are in. Now the caliper. You're gonna need a C-clamp. You can get these at O'Reilly's, any kind of clamp, okay? And all you wanna do is push this back. All right, so as you can see, I got it flush. Just twist it a little more. Let's see. Yep, that's all she goes. Boom. And let's put it back on. There. Put it back on. It should slide right in with zero issues. All right, so it's back in there. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our screws back in here. All right, once it's back on, you wanna get it nice and tight. Now remember, the tightness part, all right? You wanna get it tight, but not too tight, all right? All right, so almost like, let's say you're benching or lifting weights, right? Let's say you're picking up a 50-pound dumbbell, not 100-pound, 50. Basically, that's how I do it. There we go. Ready to go. Boom. That's how you do it, boys. See that? Nice. You're done. Just one thing I want to say, safety. You see how I got 2 jacks over there? I got 2 jacks. Safety is your friend. Everything's got to be safe. Everything's got to be tight, but not too tight. Okay? You don't want this shit to fall down on you and break you.